Hello, little wonders. It's time for another episode. What do we have here? We have so many vegetables. We've got one tray here full of greens, got another tray here full of greens. We've got an onion here, a tomato here, a chili here, a pumpkin there, and a fish there. And we have a plate. What are we going to put on our little plate? Who's feeling hungry today? Are you feeling hungry? I certainly am. It's time to make some pizza! We put our pizza, we put all of our toppings on top, we spread it nicely, and we keep on making sure it's all flat. Have we got bits of everything there? We've got some chili, we've got some tomato, we've got some onions, we've got some mushroom, and we've got some cheese, and we've got lots and lots of tomato paste, and we have little bits of fish and meat and everything else, so it's a nummy pizza. Now we're going to go put it inside the oven. Here we go. Ooh, it's going away into the oven. 10 minutes later, the pizza is ready. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. We're going to put the pizza down here. We're going to put some on a plate. But how are we going to open the pizza? We have to cut it into pieces. Ready? One piece is there. Oh, so hot. It's so hot. This pizza's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cut another piece there, and another piece there, and one more there, and the last one there. See how many pieces of nummy pizza I have? Yummy, yummy, yummy pizza. I'm going to go and eat all of my pizza with my little wonder. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.